going, sir? Or should we steer clear of the nest?
Keep on track. We paid for this land, so that means it's ours. I don't want to have to compromise with those freaks of nature.
What's the plan to flush them out, sir?
Who said anything about flushing them out? I'll call in a team to capture the little critters. We can make good money from them, you know. There's a scientist in the black market, a real dark knight. He cuts them up and puts them to good use. He pays real handsomely to his suppliers as well.
How did you find out about him?
Some big shot, a real money's man. He said that if we found these little critters, we'd be able to do the world a favour.
Favour?
Yeah, favour. Turns out these things have similar organs and shit to us. That scientists do harvest them and sell them to people in need.
If he's doing all these good deeds, then why is he selling on the black market? Shouldn't he be getting a Nobel Prize or something?
You'd think so, but there's a lot of controversy around it. Now, I know you may be too young to remember, but a few decades ago when Earth 0.1 was still up and going, people were a lot less careful, taking what we wanted and not what we needed. We were a bit greedy. Some say that's why all the natural disasters hit to kill off the human race.
Well, maybe there's a reason why all these new creatures are being born. To replace us.
Yeah, whatever. You're talking too much, boy, and thinking too much too. These trees aren't going to chop themselves. Best get back to work.
Did I say you could come in?
No, but
Then get out.
I can't leave till you've signed this though, so...
You keep giving me packages faster than I can keep up.
You didn't have more than not enough, right?
Leave her there then. But any other packages, find another place to put them while I'm busy. I'll get to them when I need.
But I'm just the delivery guy. I don't know if I'm allowed to just put them anywhere else. I don't think I'm the kind of guy that can make that type of decision. You'll have to talk to someone higher up. Like I said, I'm just the delivery guy.
Then do your job and deliver the message for me.
Right. Yes. Sorry.
Shut up. Stop it! Your humming is giving me a headache. But you don't understand me, do you? That's fine. You'll understand soon enough. You'll be on that table soon. Nice try, but your charms won't work on me. Shut up! I didn't know you could do that. 43 different creatures, and you're the first one to show a violent nature. Why you? Why now? Have you evolved? Or perhaps you've seen something. Wait a second. Is that a cut on your face? You've seen what humans are capable of and you didn't like it. That's fine. At least you'll be entertaining for me. I just gotta drown out your irritating humming. This should do the trick. Are you doing that? Is that you? How curious. You're one of a kind. I'd love to keep you around and study Quite frankly, I can't stand the sounds you make. God, it's so messed up. You have no idea what's going on, do you? I'm gonna dissect you for money and you're smiling. You've done nothing wrong. You're honestly harmless, except your aggressive outbursts. You've done nothing but hum. I hate it when you hum. It's annoying, obnoxious. Can't you shut up for 5 minutes? Ah! Shut up! Quit doing that! Shut up! Shut up! Please shut up! Please! I can't stand your irritating noise! Ah! What are you doing to me? I'm numb. I can't feel my hands. Oh. Oh. How did you do that? Screw it. I don't want to know. You think you can cut me and get away with it, huh? You think you can worm your way into my brain and get away with it? I'm putting a stop to it right now. You will always be inferior. I'll admit, it was a pretty nice trick you did there. But your little games don't threaten me. I best hurry up with your friend. It'd be rude of me to let you rot and go to waste. Not dead? No. Your heartbeat has stopped. Your skin is cold. You live no longer. But why? How can I still hear your dreaded songs? Perhaps it's an after effect. Instead of twitching muscles, your eerie voice has its last few hums. I will wait you out. I will wait you out. Why aren't you out yet? How long will your dreaded songs threaten me? No, I won't allow this. I will not allow this. I'll excuse myself for the time being. My head, my ears, I'll do anything to hear you but you. I'll sell my soul.
Rumour has it that unauthorised deforestation is growing as more companies are getting cockier. The risk of another wipeout is becoming highly likely as Earth is going back to its old ways. Many people fear the extinction of Mother Nature's new creatures as they are being hunted and killed.
What a bunch of cowards. Humans are made to hunt. It's called survival of the fittest. But I guess people are driven by fear. Hello? Oi! No. You stop that. Don't start up again. Look, I'm sorry. Please don't start up again, please. Where am I? Hello? Is anybody there? Hello?
It is truly upsetting to see so many people destroy what our Earth has worked so hard to bring up. You would think that people would learn from their mistakes and learn to live with the plants and creatures we are sharing the planet with, not against. But recent research shows that there will be consequences for their actions. These so-called harmless creatures that live in our forests have now just shown how dangerous they are when threatened. They release a toxic gas into the air. Side effects from inhaling this toxin includes hallucinations, nausea, dizziness, severe pain, and even death. I'm Vanessa, and that's our news report for today.